about to land at the Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport in Dhaka, the bustling capital city of Bangladesh. Dhaka is a large and populous city, full of history and culture. And today we are going to focus on one of Dhaka's iconic monuments and shrines, the historic Dhakeshwari Temple. The Dhakeshwari Temple is situated in Lal Bagh, one of the older parts of Dhaka, not very far from the famous Lal Bagh Fort. Dhakeshwari literally means the patron goddess of Dhaka. Many people believe that Dhaka takes its name from this temple. Goddess Dhakeshwari is regarded as an incarnation or a form of Goddess Durga, one of the several manifestations of Shakti, the ultimate source of energy, power and creativity. It is no wonder therefore that this Dhakeshwari temple transforms into the venue for the biggest celebration of Navratri and Durga Puja in Bangladesh, in which people from all walks of life participate enthusiastically. The Dhakeshwari temple is widely regarded as the most important Hindu temple in Bangladesh. Perhaps it is also one of the oldest temples that presently exists in Bangladesh. What is really unique about this temple is that it has been bestowed the status of a national temple, which can be seen right at the entrance. There is no unanimity among historians about the origins of this temple. However, it is generally believed that the first Dhakeshwari temple at the site was built in the 12th century AD during the Sena dynasty. Goddess Dhakeshwari, the presiding deity of Dhaka. Apart from housing Goddess Dhakeshwari, this temple complex has other temples as well. Over the centuries, this temple has been built, rebuilt, restored and modified several times. So what you see today is not the original form and architecture of this temple. I had heard a lot about this temple. However, on my first visit to Dhaka in 2004, I did not get an opportunity to visit this temple. Or if I may put it differently, I was not blessed with a call from Ma Dhakeshwari. Almost 10 years later, this visit was of less than 24 hours, but I had made up my mind that I would get up very early to reach the temple right at the time when it opens for the public to offer my humble respect at the feet of Ma Dhakeshwari. I am grateful to her that I was able to do it with her motherly blessing. Dhakeshwari temple is widely regarded as an important part of Dhaka's cultural landscape. What you see in front are the 4 identical Shiva temples in which Lord Shiva is represented in the form of lingam. This is the historical pond associated with the Dhakeshwari temple. This temple, right at the entrance of this complex, is also a Shiva temple. Here, Lord Shiva is represented by a white lingam. As the plane took off from Dhaka airport on the way back to India, my thoughts were still at the temple with a feeling of gratitude towards Ma Dhakeshwari.